Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will give review about skincare products called Lab White Egg Yolk Soap. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Today let's talk about Lab White Egg Yolk Soap. A lot of you might know the soap, while others don't know the soap. So today on this channel I will give you review about the egg yolk soap, how it works, side effects, and benefits. Egg yolk soap is a skin whitening soap. The Lab White Atom Whitening Arbutin Vitamin B3, C&E Bleaching Kojic Acid Soap is very effective at a 7 days whitening soap. Egg yolk are made up of protein, essential fatty acid, and vitamins, such as tranexamic acid, and caviar lime, are essential to hydrate, replenish the skin, whereas egg yolk works by maintaining the skin natural oil barrier. Together, both locks moisture, boost hydration, and keep the skin whitening fresh. Brighter skin with smaller pores. Applying the eggs topically works better because the protein and lipids directly penetrate the top layer of skin and reach their target tissues. An ultra-gentle egg-shaped facial cleansing soap creates a rich lather to thoroughly dense skin, formulated with egg yolk to refine skin texture. Contains egg yolk's ingredients to absorb serum and improve troubled skin, infused with a pleasant aroma for relaxing properties. It also works as a bublé massage pack, leaves skin clear, moist, smooth, and shine-free with no imitation, great for oily or troubled skin. How to use Lab White Egg Yolk Soap. Apply soap to the entire body, gently massage and enjoy the pure delight of our essential oil bath sensation. Benefits of using Lab White Egg Yolk Soap. 1. It helps to clear black spot or mask on the face. The soap helps to clear dark spots. Some people has black spots on their face or body but haven't seen any effect. Skincare product that can clear it off. Try the egg yolk soap, it works like magic. 2. It works for pimples. We all know that pimples usually appear on the face. If you don't have any soap that you are using for your face, get the egg yolk soap and use it. Okay, your face twice daily, it will get rid of the pimples. 3. It prevents wrinkles. Wrinkles is a most of our face when we are getting old, but some people on the 30s or 40s wrinkles will appear on the face. Using of the egg yolk soap will help to prevent pimples on your face. 4. It clears sunburn. Sunburn is usually caused by a bad chemical toxin on the skincare product you are using. Guess what? The egg yolk soap is super effective in terms of clearing away the pimples. Lab White Egg Yolk Soap. Side effects. Egg yolk soap doesn't have side effects, but some skin are prone to egg yolk. If you know that your skin is prone to egg yolk, test run before using the soap on your skin. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.